ScalePlus is built as a single connected ecosystem, not a collection of separate tools. Each app has a specific purpose, but they are all designed to work together using shared data, shared logic, and a unified workflow. This means you're not learning dozens of unrelated systems. You're learning one platform that simply expands as your needs grow. For example, with the ScalePlus digital marketing suite called Groove, when someone opts into a funnel, ScalePlus can automatically trigger email follow-ups without relying on third-party integrations. You don't need to connect external email services or troubleshoot broken connections. The funnel and email apps already understand each other because they are part of the same system. Courses and digital products are directly connected to payments and access control. When someone completes a purchase, access is granted automatically. No manual steps required. This creates a smooth experience for both you and your customers, from checkout to content delivery. At the center of the ScalePlus ecosystem is your data, especially your contacts, customers, and users. When someone joins your list, buys a product, books a call, or enrolls in a course, that information is stored in one central place. This eliminates duplicate records, syncing issues, and manual data transfers between tools. Automations act as the backbone of the ScalePlus ecosystem. They allow you to respond to actions such as signups, purchases, or page visits without manual intervention. Even simple automations can save hours of repetitive work and reduce the chance of human error. You don't need to understand or use every app on day one. Most users start with only what they need, get results, and then gradually add more functionality as their business grows. ScalePlus is designed to support this natural progression without forcing complexity up front. When all these apps work together, you get a system that is both powerful and easy to manage. This is what allows ScalePlus to support beginners and advanced users on the same platform without compromise.